Hello you guys, I just got a new car mount for my vlog camera. I think the screen on my vlog camera is like a little bit loose, so because of that I think there might be a little bit of rattling. Fingers friggin' crossed there isn't. The other angle is very low, sometimes I get that double chin going on, so I personally like this angle a lot better. Also, if it tends to be a little bit louder than the normal car, I drive a Jeep. This is a soft top roof. The only thing in between us and the elements is literally this fabric. So I asked you guys on Instagram what you wanted to see. Asking that was really helpful in the sense that a lot of you guys wanted to see the same things that I did. One of those things I wanted to do was to take you guys antiquing. So thrifting, you guys are going out there and you're trying to find the good things in amongst a lot of maybe not so good things. Whereas antiquing, somebody has already either gone out and sourced this really cool vintage stuff, or maybe they have a lot of antiques from, you know, their childhood. Antiquing is a lot more expensive, so they know that these items are good items. You can still get some good deals, but for the most part, antiquing, yes, is a little bit more on the pricey side. I have a couple favorite antique malls. My most favorite is about 3 hours from my house, so unfortunately we're not gonna go there today, but maybe one day if I'm in that area or something, I will definitely take you guys to that antique mall. Today we are going to one that I have only been to once. So yeah, let's head on over, have a nice day antiquing, shall we? These are so cool. I would love one of these in my room. This one I like specifically. So he's green on the back. I wonder if he works. He's so cool. Okay, we're gonna keep him in mind. Kind of wish he were brown, but I think you could paint that back part brown. I have one of these boot things. I'm not sure what they were originally for, but mine's like a brownie gold color and it's one of my favorite things I've ever thrifted for like $2. I don't know what this is. I think it's like, is it like a magazine holder thing? So it looks like that. On sale, it's $9. It's a magazine rack. You know what? I think I'm gonna get this guy. I think I'm gonna get him. This mirror is really cool as well, kind of different for a vanity mirror. Very similar to what my makeup cabinet is. If you guys haven't seen that, like how I store my makeup. This is a 2-1, very expensive, $85. They obviously know that this is a sought after item. Look at this table, it's like wicker. Wow, that's seriously beautiful. It's kind of cool tone, so I'm not sure that I would really love it, but crystal tea set. So I decided to get that fan. I just left it up at the front. I just have been looking for something to put on my bedside table, so I thought that would be really, really nice. But that was literally only one booth. It's the booth over. Like, this is the second booth. Barely made my way in yet. To give you an idea how most antique malls work is each item in the booth will have like a name or a booth number on it, so that as you go and you take something, each booth is somebody else's, so they know whose booth you bought it from. And then the people that run the booths, they sometimes are here, they sometimes aren't, but for the most part they usually aren't here when you're shopping. So like you can see, this would be a booth, this would be a booth, that would be a booth, that would be a booth. So each kind of booth has its own style as well, which is kind of neat. This chair is amazing. I really like this. It is a wire crate, $15. I'm looking for kind of like baskets. So in my bedroom, I need something that's gonna hold my pajama pants. But see, this is I love this, but will it get my pajama pants like rusty kind of? Probably. If I could think of something else I could use this for, I really love this crate. It's 15 bucks. That's a really good price. We have lots of linen-y type things in here. This little Wicker magazine rack. A nice gold mirror stuck in there. So you kind of have to hunt. I love this place. I'm like barely in, you guys, and I have so much more to go. That's really cool. Does that bend or is it just like that? Just like that. $22. That'd be so cool as like a vanity mirror. Look at this shell trinket box. That's so beautiful. I don't need this. I don't need trinket boxes, but oh my goodness, $14. I love it. I don't need it. Look at this amazing lamp. Oh, that's like the most amazing thing I've ever seen. It's $89. I really like this pillow. She is $6. Been looking for some cute throw pillows for the dog bed in my bedroom, so I think we're gonna get this guy. To give you guys a couple of ideas of things that I have been looking for, I'm looking for a saddle blanket, very similar to what kind of like a Mexican blanket is, but a saddle blanket is heavier. Looking for one that is brown. Looking for an old school wooden laundry rack as well. I thought that this was one when I saw it, but it's just this wooden piece. I love these little storage boxes and they're really, really cheap too. They're $1.25. I'm trying to envision where I would put them and what I would put in them. I'm trying not to buy stuff that just sits around or goes into storage, so I'm trying to be good. Okay, so we just came all that way and into here, so now let's go and circle our way back down and check out these guys. This is really cool. Vintage inspired cottage. Oh my gosh. 50% off until September 18th. I think today is September 19th. Damn it. But I'm definitely coming to antique markets when it comes time to grab some new furniture. Oh, look at this. I can't express it enough. Shop vintage and give things a second chance at life, because honestly they're way cooler anyways. Vintage scale. Look at this booth. This reminds me of my friend Haley. This would be like her dream. This is what her house looks like. Reminds me of a stool that my grandma has. That's really cool as well. Oh my gosh. I'm just gonna not even cut this and just show you guys everything because it's so good. Okay, so this looks like a laundry rack. Oh, not for sale. Damn it. But this definitely looks like a laundry rack that you could hang stuff on to dry. But not for sale. Fair enough. Fair enough. This little cabinet is really cute. It's all beautiful, not necessarily my style, but definitely worth showing you guys. For sure. Little wicker hamper. Birdcage. That's amazing. I love this. It's a stand, but it's a divider, and how they have it so that, you know, they're holding bags on it and stuff. I really love this, and I'm trying desperately to think of where I would put it. I found this pillow, which I think will go really good with the other one. So I'm gonna take it up and see how they fare together. If you can't tell, I am also on a pillow mission, so I really like this one. Okay, we are all done downstairs. Now we are gonna go upstairs. Would you believe me if I said there's an upstairs? I would like something like this, but bigger. That's what's on my list, y'all. Y'all. This. The last booth is this one. Retro table. Okay, you guys, I got a hamper full of goodies. So I'm home now. I thought I would just do a quick haul before I go inside of all the stuff that I got from the antique market. So first is this pillow. I'm pretty sure that this pillow is made out of, it feels like a burlap, but it also feels like linen-y. I think it's like burlap. Anyways, got this for my bedroom / dog bed. I have this like Urban Outfitters day bed that's like a glorified dog bed, and I just wanted to pretty it up because it might be in the background of my videos because I just recently moved around my room. Next up, we got this fan. I got this for I got this for my night table. I'm not a big fan of this like army green. I was thinking about painting it, but at the same time, like, you don't really see it. So I don't think it's like worth it to paint it. We plugged it in and it works. So I think this is gonna look really cute as well in my room. This pillow was only $6, you guys. Oh yeah, sorry. The fan was $28, pretty pricey, but like vintage fan, okay. The other pillow was, I think it was $15. Not a good deal, but I really wanted it. This pillow kind of makes up for that other pillow because this pillow was only $6 and it's not coming up as warm as it is. Like, I don't know. I'm not really a fan of doing my hauls from this camera angle because there's like not enough space. I feel like I gotta put my chair back. Okay. I ordered 2 vintage pillows online from like vintage stores, so I'm a bit worried that now I have like too many pillows. Story of my life. And then I got this guy, which I don't really have to show you because we've already seen him 100 times. Yes, that is what I got from the vintage antique market thingy today. I'm very excited about all of it. I'm excited to bring it in the house and see what it looks like with all my other stuff. Thank you guys so much for watching. I had such a blast today antique shopping. Please let me know if you enjoyed this video, because if you did, I would like to throw in some more antique with me's in with my thrifting videos. And so it's kind of up to you guys if you don't really like them. If you get mad that everything is way more expensive, then I don't know, just let me know. I think it's essentially like somebody else has put in all the effort to find those items, and like I may have not found this stuff if it weren't for them. I kind of look at it that way, like you have to, like, that person has to pay for like their gas to get to all these places and stuff. So that's kind of why things are a little bit more pricey. Some of the stuff like that fan, like I would never find something that cool brand new, and brand new it would cost like $60. So, okay, I love you guys so much. Bye! Thank you.